make my hair with me, first of all, this is what I'll be doing. I'll try to cut my hair, make sure that the pads are so neat. So try to use my cream to put it for my natural hair. So this is called contour. Why I'm putting contour is to make my hair to be very soft, because I just wash it and it's dried. So I'm using this extension. The extension I'm using at the back is used extension, but the hair, I just took the hair for 2 days. It's BB Ghana waving. I just took it for 2 days, so I didn't throw out the extension. I just use it for the back. Okay, so that's how I'll be braiding and braiding and braiding. So some of you might be wondering, how do you make your hair yourself? I don't know. Even me, I don't know. It's just God. It's a gift. Oh, are you saying the back? No, my dear, my love, I'm not saying the back. I'm not saying anything that is happening in the back. Just using my hand to check. So this is what the back looks like at this point. So let's braid the front. And the front, I'm doing Ghana braid. Okay, you guys know I don't have too much of hair. Yeah, even my hair is a virgin hair, but I don't have too much of hair, so don't come for me. So that's how I'll be braiding. If you want to know how I prep my extension before braiding, let me know in the comment section. So there's how I do this thing. I prep my extension. I'll be posting a video very soon showing you guys how I prep my extension before I start braiding, because there is no, there is nobody that are going to give you extension, unless maybe you have someone with you, like somebody like me that is living alone. I prep my extension one after the other. If I want to braid the other one, I will prep so that it will not scatter, it will not be everywhere. So if you can see in this video, I'm starting with my natural hair. That's because I'm trying to save my natural hair. That's how I braid. That's how I braid. I braid with natural hair before putting extension. I don't know if you understand, because if I am starting with my extension, definitely my hair is going to go out, like all are going to go out. But you see, I'm starting with my natural hair, it's not going to go out at all, not for any reason. Do you understand? And I posted a picture. You have not even watched the video. Somebody was commenting, oh, this hair is going to, like, the hair is too tight at the front. Who told you that this hair is tight? The hair is not even tight. As I'm talking to you now, this hair is not even tight any bit. I think it's only once I've braided my hair that the hair is so tight. I think that was Brazilian wool. Do you understand? For extension, I don't feel pain because I'm making my hair myself, so I don't feel pain at all. Like, not even headache. I don't feel any pain if I'm making my hair myself. But if somebody is doing it for me, I feel a lot of pain. I don't know if you understand. So there's a difference between someone is doing it for you and you are doing it yourself. And when you are a learner, you are doing it yourself, it might be painful. Because I'm not a learner, I already know what I'm doing. It will not be painful. It's not painful at all. Like, it does not even look as if I make my hair. So after that, this is me just coiling the tip, because this is how I want it. I've already done the rest. So let's put hot water on this hair. So that's how I just put in hot water. I almost burned myself. This is when you are doing your thing alone. Life abroad. If I'm in Nigeria now, I could easily go to my mom's shop and make my hair. Even at home, my sister is there. My full family, they know how to make hair. So I think I learned this from my mom. Okay. Yep. So I am done, guys. What do you think? If somebody tell you that I did this hair, will you believe? No. Let me know how much this hair it costs in your area if somebody is doing it for you. This is how beautiful and neat. I'm so specific, very neat. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye.